Hi everyone. So in this lecture, I will teach you about JavaScript comment. So I have already taught you about JavaScript comment in the lecture 4. It is just basics, okay? Here you will see a comment note for human ignored by the computers. So here you will see the definitions. So JavaScript comment can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make it more readable. JavaScript comment can also be used to prevent the code execution when testing alternative code. So let me first we will talk about here single line comment. Okay, so let me we will explain with example. So here I want to tell you single line comment start with double forward slash like this. Okay, using this symbol you can comment your code of single line. So here any text between double forward slash and the end of the line will be ignored by the JavaScript. It is here basically that code will not be executed. Let me here we will explain with example. Here if you write it console.log, here you will write inside text like single line comment. So here what happened guys. So first I want to tell you, let me execute your code. Here you will write node mine underscore script underscore 5, and you see here single line comment, it is printed by this console.log single line comment, but I want to just comment so that it is ignored by the compiler. So you have to write here double forward slash. But now you see this code will be not executed here. If you write again same thing, then you see it is nothing, because now this code it is ignored by the compiler. Okay. Also it is here used to explain your code. Okay, here basically this is single line comment. Here using double forward slash we will use to explain the code using this comment at the end of each line. So here if you define here let us here x it is equal to 1, then you can here write in double forward slash and explain this code like here. Let us declare x and give it the value of 5. Okay, so here also it is basically comment, it is used to explain your code. Let also we have another example. Let y it is equal to x plus 1 x plus 5. Here it is also used here single line comment and declare y, give it the value of x plus 5. Okay, it is also used to explain your code in single line. Now let me hear about multi-line comment. Here multi-line comment start with forward slash asterisk, then here asterisk and forward slash. Okay, this is here used to here for the multi-line comment. Any text between this forward slash and backwards. So here any text between in this symbol like forward slash asterisk and then asterisk forward slash, whatever you write it here inside it will be ignored by the JavaScript. So here Let me write the comment. It uses a multi-line comment here. Let me, this is here. Here you can write forward slash asterisk, then slash asterisk. Okay, basically forward slash. Then inside it here, whatever you write here, it is basically work for the multi-line. Here you can write like any text between this forward slash asterisk space asterisk forward slash here will be ignore new line. This is okay, so this cause the so here if you remove this then it works. Okay, this is will be ignored by JavaScript. Okay, so it is your multi-line comment. It is most common to use a single line comment. Block comment are often used for the formal declarations. So with the help of you can comment multi-line. You like see this is first line and next second line. You can comment with these symbols. Okay. Then open it here. What you have is you comment to prevent the your code execution. This thing already we have explained about it. Okay. So let me do this. Like let me explain with example. Suppose console.log here inside it. Yes, right. Inside the string some two numbers. And then inside backtick 5 plus 2. Okay. Then let me execute net file and you see okay it is just simply printed. Okay, console.log. Let me here we will make it as a variables like let x it is equal to 3, then let y it is equal to x plus 3, not 3 6. Then we will print the y, and why it cannot really clear block space variable. I think we have already defined. So first you need to comment here. This is now it is work here. Okay, so you will see your output here. Some two number it is 9. Okay, so this code here, this code it is executed by the JavaScript. Now here I want to just use a command to block the here block to prevent execution of this line. It is very simple. Here you can use just forward slash. Okay, then you will see here whenever you try to execute, then you will see it is nothing. Okay, it is using the single line comment, but you can use multiple line comment here forward slash. Then got it. Now this code it is ignored by the JavaScript. This code will be not executed here. Just you will see here. Okay, it is nothing. So it is just a simple thing about comment. Now we will move to the next section, that is JavaScript variable. Okay, so in the next lecture I will tell you about JavaScript variables.